guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have my bags right here packed for the hospital, and I was just going to go through and show you guys some of the things that I am bringing. So if you're interested in seeing what I have packed for myself and for Creely, then just keep watching. Okay, so I think I'm going to start off with Creely's bag. So this is her diaper bag. It's just the same one that I used for William. So I'm going to go ahead and just take everything out, and then I'll just put it back in and show you guys. So first of all, I packed a ton of clothes just because last time we were in the hospital for 4 days with William, and I think I only packed like 1 or 2 outfits, and of course he like pooped through them in an instant. So I reminded myself to pack more. I don't know how long I'll be there this time. We'll see. But first of all, I have a couple of pairs of socks and those little hand mitt thingies that go on your hands, obviously. And then I have a ton of outfits. So I don't want to show you like all of her outfits that I have packed because, you know, I want to leave some for surprises. But I have this really cute one that says, I love bear hugs from daddy, and it comes with this little onesie and these little pants, and it's got a little bear on the butt, and then it comes with a jacket. So the weather here has been kind of different. It's just started warming up. Like today's pretty warm, and tomorrow's gonna be like 75. And then I think on like Tuesday it gets back to like 40 or something. So I'm not exactly sure what it's gonna be like when she gets here. So I have that. I have a really cute swaddle that comes with a matching headband because you can't have too many headbands. And then I have a couple, this is another swaddle. It's one of those Velcro ones. I absolutely love these Velcro swaddles. I only had 2 with William, so I have like a ton more for her because they are awesome. And then I just recently got this. I got one for Creely and one for William, but it's a wet bag. So some people use it for like cloth diapers, but I'm not doing cloth diapers, so I will just be putting, if there's any clothes that she pees and poops or whatever, just put this in this bag. It's all machine washable. So I have one of those. I have a couple more outfits. So I'll show this one, and this will probably be the last outfit I'll show. But my friend Zoe got this for Creely. It says little sister, and it comes with this really cute bow and a matching like little bottoms. So that's for Creely. And then she also got this for William, big brother. So I have these both packed in here. So when they see each other at the hospital, because I want to get cute pictures of that. And then I do have a nursing cover, which I don't know why I have it packed in here, because I never wore one in the hospital because they just walk in whenever they feel like it to check on you. So there's no privacy after they see everything. And then I also have this cute little bow my friend Bree sent me for Creely. It literally goes with everything. It's such a pretty color. So as far as clothes go, that's what I have for her that I'm showing. Her other homecoming outfit's super cute. So anywho's, I have this little pouch that came with the diaper bag. In here, I have a brush. So William didn't really have any hair. He had some hair, and then he lost it. I'll put a picture up of him. I think it was like at 3 weeks, and then at 4 weeks, he just lost it. So I have a brush. I have the Nose Frida, which if you've never used it, it's awesome. It's the little thingy where you suck out the snot. I have a Nose Frida, and then fingernail clippers. So I didn't bring fingernail clippers with Will last time when I had Will, and I wish I had because he had long nails. So it's different packing for your second one because you realize there's a lot of things you needed to bring that you didn't, and then a lot of things that you brought that you didn't need to bring. So I'm learning that as I pack. Also, I have, this is her wipe container, and it has this matching little thingy here too, which is a passy case. And this is from this brand called Itsy Ritzy on Amazon. I can link it down below, but this is her passy case, and I just have 2 passes in here. They have clips on them, nothing crazy. I didn't use any of the wipes or diapers that I had packed last time for William, just because the hospital gave me so many wipes and diapers. So I ended up using all of theirs before I used mine. And then in here is diapers. Oh my gosh, can we talk about how tiny these are? Like, these are so little bitty, little baby butts. So cute. So, diapers. Again, they're packed in here, but I won't use them because I will use what they supply. Save my monies. And then also in here, it comes with a changing pad, which I didn't use. And then the last 2 things in here are these. I got these off of Amazon as well. This is a little fawn. It looks like a little fawn, like her little Steffi. William had a fox and she has a fawn. It's super cute. And then her little deer lovey. It's so soft. These were also both off of Amazon. So I think that's all I have for her bag. I'm going to put all this stuff back in, and then I will move on into my bag. Okay, so here I have a few other things. I have a boppy to bring, and then I have these 2 pillows. I didn't want to get nice ones in case we get like crap or whatever on them, because the hospital didn't have that very many extra pillows. This is for Lewis. It's called a whoopee. It's like a sleeping bag or whatever. And then I have my blanket right here. And then pack and play for Will and diapers for Will for when he goes to my friend's house who's watching him. So that's what I have over here. Okay, so here I have my shower caddy. Obviously, I'm still currently using this stuff, so I just have it all packed, and I'm just every day just take what I need out of there. I actually have to go get a new toothbrush because William took mine out of there and threw it in the toilet. So yeah, new toothbrush. And then I have my little makeup caddy. This is called like a caboodle. They sell them on Ulta and on Amazon. I got mine on Amazon because it was cheaper. But it's just nice and organized in here, and it comes with the mirror. I hardly have that much stuff in here, but again, it's packed, but I'm using it. I just want to be ready. So here's my bag. So I'm going to show you, I mean, not everything. I mean, obviously there's like the obvious things like pajamas and clothes. So I'm going to show you other things that I have. So I do plan on getting washable nursing pads, but I currently have like a box of removable, or I guess just onesie trash. What's the word? Trashable? Anywho's, disposable. I already have a box of disposable nursing pads from when I was breastfeeding Will, so I'm still using those up for this baby. So I have some of those packed, even though my milk didn't come in until after I got home. I don't know for the second one if it comes in sooner or what. So moving on to what I have in my bag. So the hospital actually provided a ton of stuff. Like when I left with like a big brown bag full of, I had mesh underwear, I had some pads, I had Proctor foam, a Perry bottle, like a bunch of other stuff. So I honestly didn't pack like even nipple cream. I even had nipple cream from them too. The only thing that I went out and got that I thought I would like better is I wasn't the biggest fan of their mesh underwear. So I went out and bought some of these instead because they look more comfortable. So we'll see. I got that big pack. I also have these socks. I wore these socks when I was pregnant, or when I was in labor with William. I got them off of Etsy, and they just say, where is it? If you can read this, get ready to catch, is what they say. I'll put a picture up over here of me wearing them in the hospital, but I just thought that was cute to have, and I'll wear them again this time around. I also have some slippers, because comfort is a big thing for me in the hospital. And then I have another pair of fuzzy socks. And then, so this is like a postpartum thing I got. I got this, I had it last time with Will. It is a girdle. I don't know which way I have this. Okay. It's a girdle. This is from Bellafit, I think is how you say it. And this helps with helping get your body back, and it helped my back a lot, because like I had not really bad back issues, but my back was pretty sore afterwards, so I wore this all the time, and this definitely really helped. This is a size large. I did order a medium, and it did not fit, so I sent it back, and they sent me a large, no problem. They're super great company. I'll try to link them down below. Also have a bathrobe. I did mention in my birth plan video, I bring this because this is pretty much all I wear, like to lounge around in. I wear my bathrobe and like a nursing bra or a nursing tank top. But when I gave birth, I wore the hospital gown. So I also got this for like a, I don't know, homecoming shirt when we leave the hospital. It's nothing special. It was off of Amazon, but it's a hoodie. I love hoodies, but it's a nursing hoodie. So you can, you know, open it up and then your boobies go there. So yeah, that was cool. And then I have, let me reach, it's not in the bag, but I have a couple of these, just nursing tank tops. I have a black one and a tan one. I got these off Amazon as well. And then I have a couple nursing bras in here as well. And the last thing I have to show you was actually recommended by my friend Danny. She's going to be watching William for us. But she told me, because last time when I was in labor with Will, Lewis was awake during the beginning, the early stages of my labor, which, you know, was easy breezy. And then towards the end, when my contractions were like awful, he had started to sleep. And so she told me that I needed to get a Nerf gun to shoot him when he wakes up. So he does not know about this. So this is a secret. But my friend gave me this little gun so I can shoot him if he tries to fall asleep. I need to see if it works. Oh. Well, that's not, that's not gonna work. Let's try again. Oh, yep, there we go. It works. Okay, so yeah. But yeah, so that's on the down low. Anyways, guys. Oh, one thing that I do have in this shower caddy, that whenever someone posts anything about what to bring to the hospital, everyone always says bring extra chapstick. So I do have a couple things of extra chapstick, because I do remember my lips did get really dry, because I mean, you're pushing, it's hot, heavy breathing and everything. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that is all I have for you guys in today's video. If there's anything that you can think of that you recommend that I pack, then let me know. Also, one thing people never really talk about is, like, they talk about all the things you need to bring, clothes-wise, equipment-wise, but they always leave out snacks. So we haven't gotten snacks yet, but we're gonna get a big bag of snacks and pack that. Oh, also one thing, let me grab it really quick. Hold on, I'll be right back. Last thing that I forgot to mention is an extension cord. So at least our hospital, the outlets weren't in very convenient places, so I couldn't reach my phone or anything, which, I mean, it's not a necessity, I know, but when you have a large family like me and everyone is texting and trying to keep tabs on you when you're in labor, and if your phone isn't charged, then that sucks because everybody freaks out. But anywho's, last time I really wished I had one, so now I do. So yeah, extension cord. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time on my next video.